Excel Rapidtech is a rapid manufacturing service bureau located in New Delhi, India. We are active in various industries: automotive, home appliances, electrical, electronics, and medical devices and equipments, and etc. etc. We decided to start our journey with EOS P 396 SLS machine, which we found to be one of the most reliable and reputable machines available for end-use production parts as well as for prototypes. The machine has the capability to give very good repeatable parts, and we have the options of printing parts in PA12 Nylon, PA11 Nylon, and PA12 Glass-Filled material as well, which gives us an option to produce parts using multiple material choices. From the initial stages, we have been trying to search for some partner who could help us with our journey, and Phillips Machine Tools came forward and helped us in this journey in setting up our service bureau, and up till now we have been getting very good services from them. They have a very good sales and support ecosystem, and they are just a call away. The journey so far with Phillips Machine Tools has been very good, and we look forward to increased partnership between us.